Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fayette County in north-central Georgia, western Henry County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Coweta County in west-central Georgia, Clayton County in north-central Georgia, until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sharpsburg, or near Newton, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newton, Fayetteville, Jonesboro, Peachtree City, Stockbridge, Forest Park, Riverdale, Hampton, Tyrone, Morrow, Lovejoy, Sonoy, Lake City, Sharpsburg, Turin, Woolsey, East Newton, Lakesby, Rex, and Stars Mill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until